Every bottle of vinegar begins with carefully selected natural ingredients: fresh apples, sugarcane, rice, and manufacturing facility, ready to begin an extraordinary transformation. After entering the factory, every shipment is directed to its designated unloading station, where strict quality control begins before production starts.
Powerful unloading systems quickly transfer each raw material into the factory, while trained workers ensure safe handling and efficient production.
Before processing, every ingredient is thoroughly cleaned to remove dust, soil, and unwanted particles, ensuring food-grade quality.
Only the highest quality raw materials continue into production. Advanced inspection systems eliminate anything that fails to meet strict standards. Each ingredient is processed differently. Apples become pulp, sugarcane releases its sweet juice, and rice and grains are milled into fermentable mash. Natural juices and fermentation mixtures are carefully prepared, creating the perfect foundation for the next stage of vinegar production. Before fermentation begins, the liquid is carefully balanced to achieve the ideal conditions for yeast to produce alcohol. Before fermentation begins, the liquid is carefully balanced to achieve the ideal conditions for yeast to produce alcohol. The first fermentation now begins. Yeast transforms natural sugars into alcohol, creating the essential ingredient needed to produce vinegar. Multiple filtration stages remove tiny particles, producing a clean liquid that is ready for controlled fermentation. Inside these giant fermentation tanks, billions of yeast cells convert natural sugars into alcohol. This process continues for several days under carefully controlled conditions. Once fermentation is complete, every batch undergoes detailed quality testing to ensure the alcohol meets strict production standards. After passing inspection, the alcohol is transferred. It enters specialized tanks to begin transformation.
The secret behind vinegar is acetic acid bacteria. These beneficial microorganisms begin converting alcohol into natural acetic acid.
Unlike alcohol fermentation, vinegar production requires oxygen. Continuous airflow allows the bacteria to convert alcohol into vinegar efficiently. Over time, the alcohol is completely transformed into vinegar, creating its distinctive taste, aroma, and acidity. Some varieties are aged to develop deeper flavor and aroma, while others move directly to the finish of the finishing process. Advanced filtration removes even the finest particles, producing perfectly clear, food-grade vinegar. Pasteurization stabilizes the vinegar. This eliminates unwanted microorganisms while preserving its natural quality and flavor.
After rigorous laboratory testing confirms its quality and safety, the finished vinegar is approved and stored, ready for the final bottling process.
The bottling process begins as thousands of food-grade bottles arrive and are carefully unloaded before entering the automated production line. Every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to ensure the highest standards of food safety before filling. After passing every quality inspection, the finished vinegar enters the fully automated filling line. Precision filling machines the exact quantity of golden vinegar into every bottle with
Each bottle is immediately sealed with a tamper-proof cap, protecting the vinegar from contamination while preserving its freshness and quality. High-speed labeling machines apply every product label with perfect precision. This ensures each bottle is ready for retail while maintaining complete production traceability.
After the final inspection, the vinegar bottles are automatically grouped and securely shrink-wrapped, protecting every bottle while making transportation safer. Robotic packaging systems carefully place the protected vinegar bottles into strong corrugated cartons. This ensures every shipment remains safe during storage and transportation. From carefully selected ingredients, every step reflects precision and quality. The vinegar begins its journey to supermarkets and homes around the world.
After completing its journey from the factory, the vinegar reaches families across the country. Whether used for fresh salads, homemade pickles, or everyday cooking, its rich